In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly event reminders in Outlook. This is a fantastic way to keep track of all your important dates and never miss another appointment or celebration. Let's dive in and make sure your calendar is always updated. First, what you need to do is head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can either open the Outlook app on your computer or go online. If you're working from the web, simply search for Microsoft Outlook and click on the official website link to get started. Once you're there, you'll notice a small sign-in button at the top right corner. Give that a click. Now input your email and password to sign in. Don't worry if you aren't automatically signed in. These steps ensure that your account is secure and ready for any adjustments you make. Once you're logged in, your next step is to access the calendar. Look for the calendar icon, usually located in the bottom left of the screen in most Outlook interfaces. It should be easy to spot. When you click on it, it will open up a window showing your calendar view. With the calendar in view, select the date for your new event. It's as simple as clicking on the day you want, whether it's tomorrow, next week, or sometime next year. Selecting the right date is crucial as it gets you organized from the get-go. After choosing the date, it's time to add a title to your event. The name you give it can be anything that will help you quickly identify what the reminder is for. For instance, it might be the name of a meeting, a friend's birthday, or a work deadline. Titles are your first entry point of information for any reminder. Now here comes the interesting part, making your event recurring. Look for the option to make recurring and click on it. This is where you can set the frequency of your reminders. Consider whether this is something you need to be reminded of daily, weekly, monthly, or on a yearly basis. Your choice will directly affect how the event pops up in your calendar over time. Once you've set all these details, it's crucial to save your work. Find the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the event creation window. Click on it to ensure that your new recurring event is locked in place. This saves time and avoids future errors. Finally, make sure everything is good to go by reviewing the saved settings. If you've set up a recurring reminder correctly, you should see it reflected in your Outlook calendar whenever you navigate to the selected dates. This method keeps you ahead of the game, whether you're tackling day-to-day tasks, keeping track of long-term projects, or remembering those annual occasions. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.